Adding weather widgets to your iPhone 16's lock screen provides quick access to important weather information without unlocking your device. This can help you stay informed about current conditions at a glance. Here's how it's done. First, head over to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the current display. From the home screen, tap on the settings icon. Once you're in the settings menu, find and tap on wallpaper. Next, tap on the left image to start customizing your iPhone's lock screen items. To continue, tap the option to add widgets at the bottom or tap the widget panel. You may need to remove existing widgets first if the panel is full. As soon as you've got everything set, you can start adding weather widgets by scrolling through the weather section and then tap to choose your preferred widgets. You can select any from the temperature, conditions, UV index, sunrise or sunset, moon, precipitation, wind, and air quality widgets. Simply tap to add the selected widgets to the panel. You can add up to 3 widgets and then swipe to arrange them as desired. When finished, tap Close and then tap Done to save your recent changes. You can view your new weather widgets by checking your lock screen. To do this, simply tap the side button to lock your device. Results from the recently applied widget settings should then be visible on your iPhone's lock screen. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.